Good day, folks. Welcome back to the Woodlot, and joining us today. We're parked out at the beginning of the new road that we were just putting in. About 2/3 of the way out the road, we had a known wet spot that's draining, and the contractor, when putting in that section, dug a channel.
Basically did a trench across it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what we're doing today is, without the tractor operating, I park, I go in front and in back of the tractor, at the back obviously now, pick up rocks that seem suitable for making a crossing there, toss them in the bucket, and when the bucket's full, we'll be taking it out and dumping it into that trench. And 2, 3, 4 bucket loads later, we should have a good solid crossing that we can use.
Excellent. I'll just watch.
Excellent.
As we mentioned in an earlier video, this property grows great for rocks. One of our better crops. So when he went through with the excavator, there's all kinds that he uncovered that'll be perfectly suitable for putting in that little trench fill.
Good exercise. No CO2 emissions. Unless I trip and start turning the air blue.
Let's not do that.
This is just a good light exercise for an old person.
Your version of lifting weights?
Not very heavy weights, so. Currently it's not particularly trying to build anything, it's more
not lose.
Keep what I got. Losing the battle with hair, but we'll see if we can keep a bit of muscle.
Hang on to some of the muscle.
Pretty exciting stuff, this rock collecting.
Yep. And blackfly chasing.
Maybe if I have a heart attack, it'll add to some of the drama.
Okay, so I've walked on out ahead of the tractor. This is the wet area We have a lot of wet areas on the property because it's a side hill, and every time it flattens out, each flat area ends up with wet spots. So, contractor just kind of trenched it a bit. Rocks should work well. I know I'm shooting into the sun. Hopefully it will be okay. But Michael wants me on this side so I can ensure he has the bucket lined up over the center of the trench. And if he doesn't, it's probably me that's going to have to move all the rocks because I gave him the wrong direction. So I want to be very careful. There they go. Well, might have been a little further. That's what boots are for, right? So Michael, sweet guy that he is tossing the hell out into the middle of the channel and not making me do it when I misdirected him. I'm sure I'll pay the price somewhere along the line.
Real sweet. Actually, this...
You want them over to there anyway.
Oh yeah, we're gonna... Just in this one little area, we're gonna...
Gonna take a few more loads.
Yeah, I would say probably 4. Yeah. Yeah, see, it's soft right back in here too.
Yes.
But
that'll probably dry out though.
well, I'm hoping. We're back today at our wet spot in the new road that we put in. Yesterday, we got a bucket load of rock down in here. And then later I came back out and just walked kind of 50 foot in both directions picking up rocks. So I then today went back a short ways further and picked up this load of rock. I think I have enough of it down. So before I just empty this out, I want to do a test drive across and hopefully not get stuck.
Hopefully not. Okay. Drum roll, please. A little soft there. Ooh. Crossing looks fine. But coming up through it was a bit soft. A little bit on this side too. Mikey appears to be happy with it. So you're happy?
Well, I made it.
Yep, looks a little soft there on the both sides, but
yeah, I think that's where the rear tire made it. I think that's a matter of that section just simply drying out, which I think it will, because the water should be coming down this trench.
So it should be okay.
So I may just take a little bit of the rock I still have and maybe just widen it a bit just in case I I do a
Go.
misstep.
Go a little off track,
Uh,
but overall,
yeah, I think I'll just turn around here and
offload those last few rocks.
yeah, and basically call it mission complete and successful.
Cool. Job done.
So thanks for joining us. If this has been of any value to you, please share, comment, subscribe, all those good things.
Keep coming back. We'll keep uploading.
Take care. Be safe.
Catch you next time.